Do people make money posting content from the public domain? Let's define our terms, shall we? Public domain is a legal status. It means that either the copyright has expired or that the content is in one of the very rare categories where there is no copyright. Images created by a government agency in certain limited circumstances will not be subject to copyright. For example, content that is on the web. It's almost never in the public domain. It's publicly available to view, which is a very different thing. Copyright does not expire until at least 50 years after the content creator has died in any country that signed the Berne Convention. If the creator is in the US, it's 70 years after death. There are also terms of copyright for items created by companies, etc. They're long, too. So how much do you think most content is worth after that many years? If you say nothing, you're right. The very few things that have worth after that long can make someone money. But to generate revenue from them is very difficult. There's plenty of experienced competition with enormous skill in enhancing that content out there competing with you. In general, the people who tell you that they're making a mint from public domain content are either pirates who are trying to make money from stolen content, or they're con men. It can happen, but it's very, very rare, and it's very hard work. Now, if you want to know if people make money from putting their own content on websites and making it publicly available, that can happen. It's still very rare and very hard work, but it's less rare. It's not what public domain actually means, but I have heard people use the phrase this way. There are still, quite literally, hundreds of thousands, and for some types of content, millions, of people who attempt to make a living like this for everyone who succeeds at it. But it does happen. Sometimes. Rarely. I hope that this helps.